Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to disconnect social login on Shopify platform. Here I can go and type this one, admin.shopify.com. So here I have a website. Now click here settings. Then here you can see all of the options. You can also see the users. So I have added only one user. Now scroll down, then click here this button. Now here you can see this one is all of the detail. After that, click here this one, security. Then scroll down. Here you can create a passkey to secure your Shopify store. Then you can create a password. Then here you can add your secondary email. Now scroll down. Here you can enable this one, two-factor authentication. Then scroll down. So here you can see all of the devices where Shopify store is logged in. Now click here this one, then scroll down. Here you can find out this option, social login. So if you want to disable, then simply you can go and click here this button, disconnect.